So yeah, Aman, you had signed up for my 5 days WhatsApp class, and then after a few months, you decided to get in touch with me. So may I know what is it that you were struggling with, and why did you sign up with me?
So yeah, Vandana, I signed up first in November for the KDM class. At that stage, I was at right at the beginning, at the cusp of beginning my coaching programs, and I wanted to understand how to design the courses. So that's what, when I saw your ad, that's what caught my attention, and it looked exactly what I needed. And after those 5 days, it was way beyond what I thought I needed. I got everything that I didn't even know was needed, as I would say. So that was amazing. Thanks for that. And then after that, okay, it started again. So after that, I wanted to get in touch with you personally so that I could understand how to solve my advertising problems. Specifically, I couldn't generate enough leads for my entry level course, and I was spending money and like spending up to 10,000 and getting only 5 leads or something. And now I think my cost per lead is somewhere between 200 and 300, if I'm not wrong, rupees. And I'm able to fill my program with at least 30 people within 5 days. So that's amazing. So thank you for that.
And so no, actually, I also wanted to ask you. You have done your own website, you have done your own landing pages, you knew how to do Facebook ads. So there are two types of people who come to us, right? People who are tech challenged and people who already are tech friendly. So I will put you in the tech friendly category. So just let me know what is it that you think changed, what is it that you were not able to do, which uh, now we also have Sanjay ji in our team who is doing your Facebook campaign. So this whole consulting, personal consulting with you, was split into two parts, right? The first part was about making sure you're ready to market so that your cost per lead reduces. That was the first part. And the second part was execution of the Facebook ads with proper ad copies and proper ways, right? So, what do you think? How these sessions have helped you?
So, although I had enough knowledge about advertising, it makes a difference when somebody has been doing advertising for a specific type of class and in a specific industry repeatedly and found out the hidden secrets. That's what you and Sanjay ji did. There were very small fundamental things like adding money every day, using a particular format of the ad, pricing it at a particular point. Also, you went ahead and gave me tips beyond just advertising. You told me about what landing page to use to cut short my payment process, make it a 3-step process, single 3 clicks. So, not just that expertise, but both of you have been really, really kind, I would say, in going beyond and giving me tips on how to complete the whole picture. So that's why I'm completely grateful that I made the decision to contact you, and I signed up way back in November 2020. Today we're in June 2021. So big problem has been solved by you all. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you so much, Aman. One more. What did you enjoy the most working with us? Three things that you have enjoyed the most working with Sanjay ji, who is our Facebook expert, marketing expert, and I as your business strategist. Okay. So, what did you enjoy the most?
Your genuineness, both of you, as your genuineness, willingness to let me look at you as an extension of my team, and secondly, your smile, both of you. Always smiling and giving good energy. To someone who's already talking about happiness, you're able to make him get happier.
Well, that's wonderful. Sanjay ji, you want to ask something?
Yeah, for me it was also very nice to work as a team, and remember that the best day for you, I think it was just day before yesterday when you had 11 leads of 99 rupees at cost per lead of 115. So
Yes,
that was a very good day, and in
true.
fact whenever moving forward, whenever Facebook does something like this, that is the time we shouldn't pause it at all. Otherwise, it just restarts at a higher rate. This is something which
Right.
we need to meet the landing page. So whenever you see the lead cost is very, what you want,
Yeah.
do not pause the ad at all, because again, though it doesn't enter the learning part, but that was a good day to remember, and that is a good
Yeah.
record.
Yeah.
11 leads at almost we can say 15 rupees a lead.
Looking forward to making almost every day like that.
Yeah.
So one more thing I wanted to ask was Aman, what is your key shift that has happened within you? Because you said you know how to do Facebook ads, you were doing it right before. So just I want to know that something that really shifted within you in terms of this whole knowledge business, working with us, the shifts that have happened within you, what you were thinking before and the after case, before after, that will
Okay.
help us.
So basically, before I was just trying to fill in the blocks, right? I had a vision. I knew broadly what needs to be done in this coaching business, and there were few gaps which I just couldn't understand what processes to follow to get there. So the biggest thing that has been my shift, my mindset shift, has been in terms of understanding the right thing to do, the tried and tested formula, which you all have been kind enough to tell me, and you made the whole process short for me, right? I probably would have taken another 6 months maybe to understand all these things and then start implementing it, which would have put more strain on me also in terms of expenditure, etc., before it began to become fruitful. So there's no way to put a value to that. This is obviously priceless, because along with that, peace of mind also comes. So thank you so much.
Awesome. The second shift.
Honestly, I think that's the biggest shift. I needed gaps to fill those gaps that I had, because I had a good idea. I had studied a lot myself, and I think that I'm a smart person also. So I had a good idea what was going on, but still there was something that was not making it click, right? Ever since we started running these ads, that one big shift already happened. I don't really worry too much about having enough people for my class now. Now we're just going to be talking about scaling it.
Yeah.
That's like a huge shift for me. Like now that first, let's say, just since I'm a happiness coach, I don't use the word worry and stress, but for people to understand, the only worry was how to get those people in the class first. Now we're talking about matching our target cost per lead of 99. Now we're talking about going from 50 to 500 people. So good problems to be talking about now. This is the huge shift.
Thank you so much for that heartfelt sharing, Aman. One more last question. Why would you recommend us to others?
I think the right question would be, why wouldn't I recommend you to someone? I can't find any reason not to. Everything is great. You all are more like friends. You all have given me advice beyond what we have officially agreed to. You have brought peace of mind. You have solved complex issues for me. You have given me tips. You are approachable. So why not, right? That's the correct question.
Thank you so much, Aman. Thank you so much. I'm done. Thank you.
Okay. All right. ठीक है जी.